Hey guys, today we have a very interesting video and we're talking about the future of scripts, song lyrics, essays, books, or anything of that sort, even opinions, including legal. What am I talking about? ChatGPT and how it will change the future. And let me tell you more about ChatGPT first. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the transformer architecture and has been trained on a massive amount of data to generate human-like responses to natural language queries. And how does it work? Well, ChatGPT uses machine learning algorithms to analyze the input and generate the response based on patterns it has learned from its training data. It takes into account context and can generate responses in various formats such as text, lists, and even poetry. And there's so many applications of ChatGPT that can be used in various applications such as chatbots, customer service, content creation, language translation, and more. It's a versatile tool that can enhance the user experience and improve efficiency. Well, there are limitations to it as well. While ChatGPT is a remarkable model, it's not perfect. It can sometimes generate irrelevant or nonsensical responses, particularly when dealing with complex questions or obscure topics. It's important to understand the limitations of the AI models like ChatGPT and use them with caution. And as a bonus to you listening to the speech, it was all generated by ChatGPT itself. The script that I just read was actually generated from ChatGPT. My input regarding this was just YouTube video script about ChatGPT. Do you see what I'm talking about? Why this is so futuristic? Let's say you're planning to make a video on Tesla, right? You want a YouTube video regarding Tesla, the car company. Well, let me just make it super simple. YouTube script or YouTube video script about Tesla, and let the ChatGPT do its thing. And as you see right here, hi, welcome to this video about Tesla. What is Tesla? Tesla is an American multinational corporation that specializes in electric vehicles and energy storage, solar panel manufacturing based in Palo Alto, California, and on and on and on and on and on. And I'm gonna stop it here because it will go on for days. And this is something that humanity has not seen before in this level. Let's say you're at school. I'm not teaching you how to cheat on your essays. Do not even attempt that. But let me just ask it to write me an essay about, I don't know, humanity? And let's see what it comes up with. Oh, look at that. Humanity is the sum of all human beings, their diverse cultures and their shared experience and all that. And it will write on and on and on. And if you know what questions to ask and what you want it to write, it will actually reach book level. We're talking about writing an entire book with AI, and the responses are not actually taken from somewhere else. They are a cumulative training from different writings and materials over the internet, obviously, because that's where we learn something too. But look what it's writing. A whole essay about humanity. Can you get better than this? Let's say how to upload a YouTube video from a tablet. To upload a YouTube video, you'll need the YouTube app installed. Look at that. Better than any Google search or any kind of search you would even think about. And there's some crazy stuff that this ChatGPT can actually do. And let me stop it right here because it will go on and on and on for days. You can write song lyrics. I'm not joking. You can make a song's lyrics with this ChatGPT. And let me ask it to do just that. A song, love song lyrics, Sinatra style. Let's see what it does. Look at that. Look at that. In a world that's full of noise and doubt, you come and quiet my heart. And no, I'm a really bad singer, by the way. But look at that. If you're a singer and you know what you're doing right here, you have a complete song written for you. You can make minor tweaks and small stuff around it to make it better to your liking, but will you do it in 10 seconds like ChatGPT did? I don't think so. It's a full song. It's not even a song that's taken from somewhere else or somebody else. This song you're seeing right here does not exist anywhere else. Let me say rap song lyrics about money, and just that, and let's see what it comes out. Look at that. Look at that. Money on my mind 24/7. I can get enough. Got the hustle in my veins, the drive, the power to the touch, whatever. Ooh, I am not good at this, but look at this one. You tell me now, what is the future? Just imagine the potential this app has for doing things that only your imagination can be limited to. Just look at that. Going to town, still writing that rap song about money, huh? And I'm talking with chorus, bridge, verses, outro. I mean, you know, people pay millions of dollars to have lyrics similar to these, and now you have it in your hands. Let me put quote or quotes about love, I guess. Look at that. The greatest happiness you can have is knowing that you do not necessarily require happiness. William Saroyan. I don't know who that is, but look at that. It just goes and goes and goes and goes. Very selective and very intuitive and very understanding. Complete follow of your request. And no, I'm gonna stop it there. People are building entire websites with the help of ChatGPT, helping you program things. Do you even understand the depth this one goes? We are talking about something we've never seen before, but I guess this is what they are gonna call Web 3.0. It's gonna be based on AI and blockchains and all the new technologies. But yeah, that's all I had to show you for today, guys. This is just a small glimpse into ChatGPT and its potential. And please use it properly. Use it responsibly. This can help you a lot, especially if you're a singer, writer, whatnot. You can do a lot with this. And with that said, thank you for watching, and hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!